What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Cheap Tech Reviews. This is your boy Rakim, man, and I'm back with another unboxing of the iPhone XR, the red edition, the product red, and this is the 128 gigabyte version. I tried to get the 256, but they didn't have the 256 in the store, so I just got the 128 because that's what they had. And yeah, so let's just get on with the unboxing of this phone. I really like this device. I've seen a lot of reviews about it. There go your Apple stickers, you know, your Hello Guide, your SIM tool, and you know what it is. There's the phone right there, and I'm about to just unbox it. Let me put these stickers and stuff back in this pack. Okay, put that to the side right there. Here's the phone. Ooh, that's gorgeous. That's the red edition, product red. Here go the power brick. You see the Apple power brick right there. Boom. Let's see here. And you got some headphones, you know, because it don't have a headphone jack on this phone. And then you got your cable right there. All right. Got your lightning cable. Okay. And here's the phone. Right here. Give it the boot up. But they done already booted it up in the store and stuff. That's why I got these fingerprints and stuff on it. But it is what it is. So I hate when stores do that though, man. When they unbox it already, I just be like, shit. Because I really wanted to unbox it for the channel or whatever, but it's all good. It is what it is. And this phone does need some juice. I mean, not really, but finish setting up. It's not now. I'm going to just wait. Okay. But what I am going to do is, you know, it's nice and fluid, you know. It's you know, it's straight or whatever. It's a cool little device, man. It's straight, man. I'm feeling it. I'm saying I'm still rocking out with my SX Max, XS Max, whatever. Yeah, so stay tuned, man, for more reviews, man, on this device. Dang, how the light come on? Yeah, just stay tuned, man, so I can set this phone up. And I'll be back with the full review of the iPhone XR product red edition. Peace. But please hit that like and subscribe to the channel, and God bless you all, man, and keep your head up out here in this lonely world. Peace out.